New year, new rules. Now UK begin post-Brexit futures. Pakistani actress granted permanent residency in Saudi Arabia. A new report says Ethiopian security forces killed more than 75 civilians and injured nearly 200 during deadly unrest. On a scrap of land surrounded by flooding in South Sudan, families drink and bath from the water that swept away latrines and continue to rise. Kuwait bans written exam, resume commercial flight in latest COVID-19. WHO approves emergency use of BioNTech-Pfizer COVID vaccine. In Algeria, 20 people have been killed while 11 others injured in a road accident due to overturning of vehicle. Prime Minister Imran Khan says Pakistan is moving in the right direction with the policies aimed at bringing people out of poverty through wealth creation.